How to replace the rivet button on your jeans fly. Have you ever had this happen? The rivet button at the top of the fly rips through the fabric entirely, leaving a substantial hole. The first step of this repair is to patch that hole from the back side using a square of heavy-duty twill tape with the ends turned under. This is the hardware you will need. A rivet button has two parts: the button side, which has a shaft with a divot in the bottom, and the rivet side, which has a sharp flanged post and a nail head top. These are sold at fabric stores and craft stores. On the right side, using the previous hole as a guide, make a hole through and through using a sharp awl. Push the post of the rivet all the way through that hole from the back side. For the next step, in addition to the button, you'll need something to hammer with. In this case, I used the hammer on my lasting pliers, but you can use anything that can be swung with force, including the heel of a shoe or a meat tenderizer. Place the point of the rivet post into the divot of the button shaft and hit the button hard with your hammer a couple of times. You're done. The proper name for this kind of button is a rivet button or a jeans button. The outdated term bachelor button derives from the concept that a single man is incapable of sewing a button back on his pants, but he can hammer it back on. The term is archaic because it's sexist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification of new content. And join me every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for my Open Studio live stream.